You wouldn't need to worry about eating bland and tasteless meals with this palatable dressing. Learn how to make a celery seed dressing with the help of this quick and easy guide, brought to you by recipes.net. In a blender, add the granulated sugar, dry mustard, salt, ground black pepper, white onion, and white vinegar. Blend until pureed. Gradually add in the olive oil and remaining white vinegar in small amounts while blending. Then, add the celery seeds and blend for 5 seconds or until well combined. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.